Hey guys, it's Megs with Megs for Life, your pharmacist to help you guys get that healthy bod and that blissful heart. So for today's video, it is a Thursday video, so I decided I'd tie it in with my content video for the week. So as you guys all know, on Monday, my content video was all about Different. It's my holy grail in skincare. You guys should definitely check that video out if you haven't already. It helps with all types of acne, hormonal acne, teenage acne, cystic acne, all types of acne. Seriously, something I use religiously. I swear by it. It is a great product. You guys should definitely check out the video. I wanted to tie in today's video with my content video from Monday. So today's video is all about my nighttime skincare routine and how I incorporate the Different gel into my daily routine. So first off, to start, I always just pull my hair out of my face. Gotta be a standard because you don't want to have that in your face while you're trying to wash your face off thoroughly. Just gonna put it in a quick bun. All right, easy enough. And then the first step is obviously going to be the cleansing step. So today I'm going to be using my Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser, and it's by Kiehl's. This one is fairly affordable. I'm just kind of using it because it's one I have right now, and I've had pretty good luck with it. Honestly, I don't think you have to use a really fancy cleanser to have your skin be really deeply cleaned every night. This is just what I happen to have right now and what I've been using. This one I really like because it does help people who have kind of larger pores. So that would be me. I tend to get kind of larger pores right around my cheek area. And so this one, it has Amazonian clay, and then it also has diatomaceous earth in it. So both of those kind of get on your skin, they exfoliate gently, and they get up all of the oil and clogged stuff that's in your pores to make it so they don't get quite as big. So I really like this one. You guys should definitely check it out. It's a pretty affordable one, like I said. If the price was wrong that I just said, I will put it in the description box, but I think that's about 20 bucks. So first off, I'm just gonna get my face wet. So we're gonna do that real quick. All right, so as you guys can see, my face is wet. So the next thing I'm going to do is just add a little bit of this onto my fingers. So I probably get about a nickel size, I'd say. So I'm just going to put that all over. And I really like to focus on my cheek area because that's the area that I have the biggest problem with my acne. So focus on that area a lot. Oh, okay. There we go, I can see better. And you want to do it gently because you don't want to tear your skin or anything like that. So just kind of gently massage it in. Got it on my lip earlier, that's kind of gross. So yeah, it just has the clay in it that it's supposed to be good for normal to oily skin. So I kind of have oilier skin. Okay, so it's all rubbed in pretty nicely. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it off with some lukewarm water. Remember, you don't want to use hot water because that is not good for your skin. It's really harsh on it, so just kind of use lukewarm water. Okay, so I've rinsed off my face, and now I'm just going to pat it dry with a cotton towel that I have. Remember, don't pull and tug at your skin. You're supposed to gently just tap it all off just to get it nice and dry. Okay, so it's pretty good. All right, skin is nice and dried off. Okay, so my next step that I'm going to do is I use sweet almond oil. This is our Acacia brand. I get this one at my local health food store. We have a Sprouts and I like it. So what I'm going to do is I just take a little bit of it and I put it on my finger. Oh my gosh, got a little more than that I normally do, kind of shot out. But I just kind of massage that into my eyelashes with my fingers. I don't wear a whole lot of eye makeup, so it comes off pretty quickly. A lot of people like the micellar water. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but that one does work really good because it's really easy to get your makeup off with it. So I'm just kind of my eyelashes, kind of feed the almond oil through it. And the almond oil is really good too for the eye area, for the skin, just because it's moisturizing, has vitamin E in it, so it's good too. So as you can see, it's getting the black off of it. And then I'm just going to use the opposite side that I used to dry my face off. to gently just kind of like take the black off of my eye area. Yeah, just do it gently, you know. Okay, so getting all that black off of my eyes. Okay. Look at my regular mirror too. Okay, looks pretty good. So now that I have that done, I am going to go ahead and rinse my hands off just because I don't want all that oil on there. So rinse it off real fast. Okay, now that my hands are washed off, I'm going to do my holy grail in skincare. So it's the different skin gel. This is what I talked about in my content video on Monday. Like I said, I recommend watching this video if you didn't. Kind of tells you more about how it works, the price of it, why it's so good, who recommends it, blah, 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 besides me. So I'm just going to take probably, again, well, this will probably be like a nickel size amount, like that much. And then I'm just going to put it on my skin all over. I always focus, again, like I said, on my big problem area. So my problem area would be my jawline. So I focus down there. And then you don't want to get it by your eye area because it is drying. So make sure you avoid that. So just on the cheeks, on my nose, underneath my eyes. Okay. So gently brush it on there. Okay. So again, gonna wash my hands off, common theme. And something that I always use every night is I always use an eye serum because I definitely have some wrinkles that are starting to develop around my eye area. I don't know if you can tell, but I do have some wrinkles over there. So the one I've been using is the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Power Eye Cream. I really like this one. I got it a while ago. I do kind of have an addiction to Sephora and Ulta. So this one is really nice because it does have the vitamin C. So I feel like when I use it morning and evenings. And when I do that, I feel like it kind of, if I have any puffiness underneath my eyes, it fixes that in the morning. And then over time, the vitamin C is supposed to kind of help you with dark circles. So I just put a little bit on my fingers. The problem is I'm supposed to do, I know, my ring finger, and I didn't do my ring fingers, but whatever. So I'll put it here like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'll tap it with my ring fingers. That's always what you're supposed to do. And so it has a slightly like orange color, as you can see. So hence the vitamin C, it's like an orange. Anyway, okay, so you're just going to tap it in gently to your eye area. Don't get it in your eyes because this one does burn, but so just tap it in there gently. Perfect. Okay, now wash my hands off. Right, so at this point, you can follow it up with the moisturizer on your face if you need it. I'm actually not going to use a moisturizer today because my skin gets really oily and I really just don't need it. Plus I think that the different gel works better if it's not, if I don't have a moisturizer on top. Plus my skin's super sensitive, so some moisturizers really break me out. So I'm just not gonna do a moisturizer tonight. There was one that I had been using. I got a sample of the Proteini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant. And that one was pretty nice and it wasn't too hard on the skin. Didn't necessarily break me out. This stuff is super expensive though, so that's why I don't use it very often. It's just a sample. And then to follow it all up, oh, that was really loud. So I'm going to use my Eucerin. It's just the original Healing Soothing Repair Cream. The label is pretty old because this thing is huge, so I've been using it for a while. But I am going to use this to get my stuff off of my lips because I put like lipstick on, but I forgot on my lips. And then I'll use the other side of this little handy dandy towel just to wipe that off. Do not need it on my lips at night because that really just dries everything out. So, got the color off my lips, and I actually use this at night. I dab it on my lips to keep them moisturized because my lips are addicted to moisturizer now because I use lip stuff so often. But as you can see, just moisturize it nicely. Perfect, that's all I really need. So after that, I am all done with getting ready for bed. So there you have it, guys. That is my nighttime skincare routine. And all I do at this point is just brush my hair out. And I'd say that my skin is healthy and happy now. So that's about it. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to keep seeing more content, let me know. My hair is a little messed up right now, but that's okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye.